Hello everyone! In our last video, we explored Otranto in southern Italy. We visited Otranto's beach and several other beautiful sights. So far, we've been to 9 countries and made short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we will explore the stunning beauty of the Cave of Poetry on the southeastern coast of Italy. It took us roughly 30 minutes to reach here from Otranto's center. The Cave of Poetry is one of Italy's most famous natural pools, known for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. According to legend, poets once came here for inspiration. The water inside the cave is crystal clear, and you can see the stones at the bottom. Big rocks surround the cave, adding to its charm. People often dive from these rocks into the water, making it an exciting spot to visit. It's the perfect mix of natural wonder and thrilling adventure. Every year, roughly 200,000 tourists visit this stunning location, drawn by its unique charm and picturesque scenery. The cave's limestone walls, sculpted by years of natural erosion, create a breathtaking underground chamber filled with light and reflections. The height from which people dive is about 15 feet, adding an extra thrill to the experience. Near the Madonna of Rocca Vecchia, there's a striking white sculpture that captures the attention of many visitors. This beautiful piece of art stands out against the natural backdrop, adding a touch of human creativity to the historic site. It's a perfect spot for photographs and offers a serene place to reflect on the cultural and artistic heritage of the region. After exploring these amazing sights, we decided to drive to Alberobello. We'll cover several places in Alberobello in our next video. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures.